Hey everyone! Are you struggling to save money or feel like your paycheck disappears too quickly? You're not alone. In this video I'll share 5 powerful money-saving tips that can help you cut expenses, save faster, and reach your financial goals quicker than ever. Stick around for the bonus tip at the end. It's a game changer. If you're serious about saving money, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. Alright, before we dive into the tips, let's talk about why saving money is so important. A strong savings plan helps you build an emergency fund, avoid living paycheck to paycheck, and reduce financial stress. But how do you save money when expenses keep piling up? Don't worry, I've got you covered with these 5 practical strategies. Tip number 1, track and cut unnecessary expenses. The first step to saving money fast is knowing where your money goes. Track your expenses for 1 month using a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Identify unnecessary spending, things like eating out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases, and cancel what you don't need. If you spend $100 per month on subscriptions you rarely use, canceling them saves you $1,200 per year. Tip number 2, use the 50-30-20 budget rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants like entertainment and dining out, and 20% goes to savings and investments. If your expenses are too high, adjust. Reduce wants and increase savings. Even shifting just 5% more to savings can make a huge difference. Tip number 3, meal prep and stop wasting money on food. One of the biggest money-draining habits is eating out too often. Meal prep at home, cook in batches to save time and money, and pack your lunch. A $10 meal out daily equals $3,600 per year. Cooking at home can cut your monthly food expenses by 50% or more. That's money you can put into savings. Tip number 4, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money fast is to make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account, schedule deposits right after payday, and keep savings separate so you don't spend it. Even saving $50 per week automatically adds up to $2,600 in a year, without thinking about it. Tip number 5, find ways to lower your bills. Did you know you can cut your bills just by making a few calls? Negotiate your internet, phone, or insurance bills, use energy-saving habits like LED bulbs and unplugging devices, and refinance loans for lower interest rates. If you lower your internet bill by just $20 per month, that's $240 saved per year. Bonus tip, make more money. Saving is great, but what if you could increase your income too? Try freelancing, selling unused items online, or using cashback apps. If you earn just $200 extra per month from a side hustle and put it into savings, that's $2,400 per year. Let's quickly recap the 5 smart ways to save money fast. Track and cut unnecessary expenses, follow the 50-30-20 budget rule, cook at home and meal prep, automate your savings, and lower your bills. And don't forget the bonus tip, find ways to make extra income. Your next step? Pick 1 tip from this video and start applying it today. What's your biggest struggle with saving money? Comment below, I'd love to help. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. And don't forget to check out my next video on related topic.